Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the chart title in the Google Sheets app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. First we have to open up Google Sheets, and here it opens up like this. From here we just have to open up a document that we want to work on. Then in the document we have to tap on the table, the chart, then on the pencil icon in the top row, and then we tap on titles and chart title, and here we can set the chart title to whatever we want to. For example, monthly stats. Update title, and then we are going to see the title of the chart displayed here. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.